All right, ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all. My name is Dr. Ebube, Tradomedical Care Consultant. Now, we deal in all kinds of herbal medicine, herbal tea, such as prostate control, infection medicine, sugar control, and prostate. Now, this one you're looking at is called Feeling Fine Herbal Tablets. This is a natural herb. It's a combination of herbal drugs, moringa, aloe vera, and the garlic. The 100% pure natural, specially made for chronic infection and the sugar in the body. Now hear me. You have somebody at home, any of your relation that suffer this stomach ulcer that cannot allow you to eat anything. You cannot eat perfectly. You cannot eat when others are eating perfectly. You can complain about stomach ulcer always. Please don't hesitate. Kindly get this money to that person. Before the person will eat in the morning, let the person chew 3 in the morning and drink water. Talking about first thing that enter that person's stomach. Chew and drink water. It doesn't bitter. It doesn't have any odor. It doesn't have any effect, any side effects. Chew and drink water. Later on, you eat and go where you want to go. Then in the night, last thing that person will eat in the night before going to bed. Talking about last thing that enter your stomach before you go to bed. You also chew 3 and drink water for 5 days to 10 days, man. That is the end of that stomach ulcer. If you're buying this medicine, get my personal contact. It's only a pregnant woman will not take it, but a nursing mother will take it. Children will take it. It doesn't have any side effects. Now, this medicine is also balanced sugar level. It helps in diabetes mellitus control, arthritis, rheumatism, any kind of joint pain. You cannot sit down, stand up perfectly. Kindly have this medicine, Feeling Fine Herbal Tablet. Now, talking about infection, it is a natural antibiotic that helps and fight against this widespread bacteria such as Staphylococcus aureus, syphilis, gonorrhea, and candidiasis. Now you are a woman under the sound of my voice. Listen to me very carefully. You are a woman. Notice say you never enter the age of menopause, but you know they see your menses in place. Don't be shy. Kindly get this medicine. Flush that bacteria once and for all. Now infection, now they cause that problem. Call it chronic infection. They say if anyone hide medicine, anyone will hide sickness will kill that person. Kindly get this medicine. You must confirm it. You dey have painful menstruation, irregular menstruation, your menstruation no dey flow well. It will come out today, tomorrow you will come out with different color. Sometimes you go see your menstruation this month, next month you will not see it. Infection cause that problem. We call it chronic infection. Now, do you know that the worst infection a woman can go to just to have offensive odor? The woman will stay there. We're talking about the vagina will be smelling. Nobody will come close to you. That person will perceive odor, dangerous odor. That is the bad and worst sickness so far. That is the one we call candidiasis. Sometimes you see some women, they will have the kind of white, something looks like pap, dropping from their private parts. Once they remove their pint, they will be spraying such thing. In the process, they will be having bombs. That was kind of what syphilis. And a woman, when they breastfeed any baby, she know they're pregnant. At the same point, she gonna call breast discharge. That is dangerous sickness. We call that one monarch imbalance. That one is dangerous. You will be woman, and dangerous will be woman. And any man that suckle that breast, so sickness they flow that man. Direct to that man's cells and damage it. There is no two ways about, no protocol. That is rest assured. Now talking about a fellow man. You go somewhere where they say men need to contact infection. It's only women contact infection. Who tell you that story? Men contact infection, women contact infection, everyone contact infection. Me where they here, where they speak with you right now, will be herbal consultant. I do contact infection. Now men where they have quick ejaculation, poor erection, and water span, please don't be shy as well. Me, I they have same problem. I have to correct it. 3 things cause that problem. Number one, when a man have excess of sugar in the body, it's called that problem. Secondly, when a man have this bacteria, it become a chronic infection, it also cause that problem. Thirdly, if a man can't have this stomach ulcer, man, that is the worst and dangerous sickness so far in the man's system, both women. Note ulcer cause infertility. Any man that has an infertility, that man cannot conceive. I'm sorry, that man cannot pregnant a woman except by God intervention. And any woman that has an infertility, that woman cannot conceive except by God intervention. That is that. You know, today once we mention this word infection, people feel so bad about that. They carry your mind go for sex. Me, I'm not here for sex, so I'm talking about the food we eat today. Because the 90% the sickness where me and you suffer today, worst cause is the germs. And 60% the food we eat today is sugar. Name it. Garri sugar, fufu sugar, yam sugar, rice sugar. Coupled with other things, me and you, they take daily bed that contain sugar and colored Mirinda, beer and other things that contain excess of sugar in the body. So if you are a wise person, once in a while you flush your system. Now let me tell you one easier so one can comfortable infection without stress. All of us know this sachet water known as pure water. Did you know this pure water I'm talking about has 14 days, 16 days to expire? To be honest with you, when you take pure water between 17 days, 18 days, 21 days, man, you are taking bacteria. Now, if you want to confirm it, when you get to your home this evening, get a sachet of pure water, drop it in your home. Don't use it and don't drink it. But count from today to 21 days. Open that pure water and observe something. You will observe that water has taste and it has odor. But in most times, we don't observe it when you are taking cold one regularly until you finish one set of pure water. Now, if you now feel the taste of your mind, you now know that pure water has taste and it has odor. Do you know that me and you take pure water over 6 months and above? That is what we call water infection. Sometimes you see some people having scratches all over their body. And you get some people who they bath water away from their sink, enter their bed, they carry and enter bedroom, bathe without boiling it or putting anything detailed to kill the germs. Number 1. 2, toilets. We have this name written toilets. Toilet doesn't have any bacteria, it doesn't have any infection, that is name written. But we're talking about the sock away. Early morning, if you want to observe what we're talking about, 5 o'clock in the morning, go to that sock away with your torchlight. Point to that sock away. If that sock has any hole or break, you observe something like smoke vapor coming from sock away. But if there is no space, no hole, where that will not escape, that will not go to WC, where you rain and poo. Remember, there is water in that WC. Whether you flush your rain or still there's water there. Now, when you come poo there, or we there, that water touch your bum bum. You use the tissue to wipe up your go where you want to go. See, there is nothing, there is something. That will be repeating always. At a time, that person will start having itches in his or her private part. That is 2 major ways one can contaminate infection. We cannot run out of that. Big man and big woman no need for that one. No. Me and you, they contact daily basis. There's no protocol about it. Now somebody will ask me, say, how can one medicine cure ulcer, balance sugar level, treat infection, help in diabetes, and other things I mentioned here? Yes, this is a pure natural herb, a combination of a herbal drugs. Moringa is involved, aloe vera is involved, garlic is involved, and ginseng is involved as well. The moringa we're talking about is only seed and leaf that has the ability to cure 365 sickness in our body. If you have your phone, you are under the sound of my voice, you can go direct to your Google right now and Google it and prove me wrong and right. Why aloe vera purifies blood? Garlic is an antibiotics. You see, it's there as well. Now, please get this medicine now and flush any chronic infection in your body, in your system. We call those things blood infection. We cannot out of that. You know, sometimes today we feel so reluctant to flush our system. Now, let me tell you one thing. Can anyone tell me the highest consumer in sugar between Igbo, Yoruba, and Hausa? Who can tell me the highest consumer in sugar? Let me give that answer myself, but there's no one here to give me the answer. Let me give you that answer. Hausas eat sugar most, followed by Yorubas. But people that suffer this sugar, this is the Igbos. Why? We don't know what's called how. To be honest with you, if an Hausa person eats something that is not more sugar, the person will gather enough sugar, put in that food. But after eating that food, the first water the person will drink is just to drink herb to bring that sugar down. That sugar won't have any effect in their body. An Hausa person will trek a far distance, so that person will be sweating up, that sugar will be going out from the body. But we Igbo cannot do such exercise. We believe in the condition has and all that. If you give any Igbo a herb to drink, the person will ask question. Ask me the question whether the medicine is bitter. That is wrong. It doesn't happen that way. So once in a while you flush yourself, flush your system, it will help you. Note, ever since this canned food reigns in Nigeria and reigns over the world, that's when we'll start having a long and chronic infection. Those days it was not like that. So my advice to my listener this moment is, you have the key of your life. You have the key of your success. So once in a while, please flush yourself with this herbal medicine called Feeling Fine Herbal Tablet. It's effective medicine so far. Like I said earlier, it doesn't have any side effects. It doesn't have any reaction. It's only a pregnant woman will not take it. Children will take it. Children morning, being adults, 3 morning, 3 night. Children, 2 years baby, give that person 1 morning, 1 night. But 3 years to 12 years, give them 2 morning, 2 night. You confirm the product. The product is very, very effective. Note, you cannot get it in a roadside. You cannot get it in a hospital. It's only I, Dr. Ebube, can give you this. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, my listener. And God bless you. Have a wonderful